Hi everyone. So today we'll be seeing how to purchase via JioMart. This is their website where they have mentioned that currently it is available in Navi Mumbai, Thane and Kalyan. So this is the main website, and they have given that pre-register and you will get up to 3000 rupees saving. I have just registered, but I don't know how I'll be getting that. So this is how the actual website is, but now they have launched something on their WhatsApp, JioMart through WhatsApp. That is, they have tied up with a few of the Kirana stores nearby your place, and then they are availing you various items which you can purchase. So I have just sent a message hi now as of now. So immediately I am getting a message from them, and there's a link to place order. So if I click that, I'll be getting the area, the locality. So I have to put other details like my name, society name, everything, and then I'll have to subscribe for receiving updates on WhatsApp. The moment I click that, the proceed link will be activated and will be going to the catalog. So once you reach the catalog, you will have many items which you can purchase. These are the items which are available nearby your place, nearby Kirana stores with which JioMart has tied up. We'll just randomly pick few items. I'm just randomly picking a few items just to show it to you on how to place the order. And this is a platform where they are not encouraging online payment. So the kirana guy will be delivering it to your place, and once they deliver, the cash on delivery will be there. So there is no online payment for this, only cash on delivery is available as of now. So I have purchased few items. I'll place order now. So thank you for shopping with us. You will receive the details on WhatsApp. So immediately I got a message on WhatsApp. So if I open that message on WhatsApp, I'll be getting details. I'll get the invoice copy, and then they are telling that within 2 days I'll be getting the orders. And also I will get the Google Map link of the nearby Kirana store from where I'll be getting the phone number of the Kirana store. For example, I had considered Dombivali, Kalyan. So I have placed order with Kalyan nearby Kirana store, and they will be calling. If your house is very far from that Kirana store, most probably they'll call you and request you to pick it up, which is much better than standing in the queue. So this is the invoice copy. So you have got all the details, the order number and everything. So this is Kalyan, and they have given the shopkeeper phone number also. These are the details. So once you have done that, this is how it is. If your house is nearby, then the kirana store person will come to your place and deliver, or else you will have to go and pick it up. I got a call today because I had placed the order yesterday saying that it is quite far from your place, so they requested me to go and pick it up, which I felt is fine at this stage where we are standing in queue for hours to get the items, which we don't even know that it is available in Mart or not. We are going standing and waiting for buying it. Here they have put all the essentials and also a few snacks. This is the details, guys. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please put in the comments section below. Thank you.